Hey guys, the Fast Nerd right here. I'm going to be doing a Watch Dogs race online. And I will be showing you how to get online in the next video. Please drop a like, if you don't mind. We are doing a Watch Dogs online race. So yeah, I'm just going to, just sit back and watch the video, and, hopefully you'll like it. If you do, drop a like and subscribe, and share it. Thanks. Bye guys. Well, that sucks. Oh god. Oh no! Darn it. Of course. Whatever. Darn it. I keep tripping. I'm gonna lose. I'm just gonna let me tell you guys. I'm gonna let you lose. Yeah, I'm in fourth place. Unless I can catch up. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh. Wow. Oh my gosh, man. Wow. Are you serious? Wow. But yeah, guys, if it ends, oh my god, wow. If it ends, then it'll just end, but the video shouldn't end, but if it does, But, yeah, guys, like I said, please drop a like and subscribe, and, I appreciate it if you do, man. Oh, no, come on. Come on.
Sorry, but that performance doesn't even rank. Maybe next time.
So, yeah, guys, if you don't mind, please drop a like and subscribe, and, thanks. That's about it. Thanks. Bye, guys. Have a good day. Bye.